Welcome back to Coyote Classics. I'm Brady, and in the car is my brother Dalton. And today we're checking out this 1979 Z28 Camaro.
This one's not your typical, 79 Camaro with a 350 or a 305. This one's got a built 400 underneath the hood. Good power, good sound, nice set of headers. Pretty cool car.
Yeah, it is.
The engine compartment looks really good. Paint on the engine's nice. It's got Edelbrock valve covers, headers. I'll let you listen to it run for a second. I'll have Brady shut it off. Does have power steering, power brakes. A lot of new components underneath the hood. 4-barrel carburetor. Hood mat looks good. It's a neat car. We sell a lot of these 79, 80, 81 Camaros. It's kind of crazy they're still considered a second gen. They've changed so much from the 70s, but they are. Front nose on this one looks good. A lot of times you'll see them all cracked up, and so far on this one I don't see any cracks on that front plastic bumper. All looks good there. The headlights look good. Hood lines up real nice. You have, it looks like maybe a small ding right here. Hood lines up good. And I like the black with the kind of orange and red.
Yeah, I was just gonna say this is my favorite colorway that I think they did.
Decals. It also has T-tops too, which is nice. The last
Yeah.
couple we sold did not have the T-tops. It's got the Z28 rally wheels, which I prefer on these. I think they're a great looking stock wheel. Front chin spoiler's in good shape. I classify this one as a nice local car show quality cruise night car. Paint's in really good shape. I'm sure we'll find a couple chips on it as we go around. Seems like there's nothing that's perfect, and even real nice ones have a few little chips. There's a small chip there. A couple chips down there along the rocker, but really good and solid. Make sure you go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage pictures. Pretty straight up and down the sides. A few little door dings right here. It's got original tan interior. Here's your corner of the door. Looks like door rubbers are original, so there's a little wear on them. Same thing with the door panels, they're original in good shape, but it's got a little cut right there, and somebody put some speakers, some little tweeters in on the door panels on each side. Seats appear to be original, and those are in good shape, just minor wear as you'd expect with original, but overall in good shape for its age. And that's kind of some of the little stuff that make this just a nice cruise night car, local car versus a trailer queen show car. It is missing the dome light lens. Talk to your salesman, we'll make sure you get one on before it ships out. There's some wear on the little seatbelt holders in the back. A little crack there on the console, but the dash pad's nice. Got AM/FM radio with equalizer. For black car, it's really good and straight. Tail lights, spoiler, back bumper all look good. Back glass is clear, and the back package tray looks nice as well. You do have some little chips in the clear coat, kind of right here along that back window.
Another tiny
little ding there. Again, driver's side's nice and straight. No bubbles or blisters back here on the rear quarter. Door lines up great.
The paint's got a great shine to it too.
It does. We buffed it out. It looks real nice. Overall, just a good car. They're all still
Yeah.
All still old, and they come in all different price ranges, but this one I think is a good car for the money. It's got a lot going for it. Nice drivetrain. Clean original interior, and the T-tops are awesome as well. There's your corner of the door, factory stickers. Just as the other side, the door rubbers are original, and a guy could replace them if you wanted to. A couple small little wear on the driver's seat there. All right, what do you think we take her for a spin, Braze?
Let's do her.
All right, so it does have a tilt wheel, which is nice. Starts right up. Wipers work. I think we put new blades on those too. Horn works. Does have power windows. And those work good as well. On a day like today, we're gonna leave them down. Let's see, gas gauge works. I'll get it to you. Gas gauge works. Temp gauge we'll check here in a few minutes. It does have a factory tack, but that is not working. Heater fan works. Let's see. Here's your radio. The radio will work. I'm not sure if it's got an antenna hooked up. But you do have speakers that are hooked up. All right, there you go, Braze.
Great power.
Does put you right back in their seat. Definitely a lot more power and a better sound than your factory 350 or 305. If it was a California built Z28, it would have had a 305 in it. And all the other ones would have had 350s. Go for the gears on our ones. Shift her down into first. Tire chirp going into second. Nice shift into third. It's got good power and it goes down the road awesome. We're doing 70 miles an hour right now. Steering's nice and tight. One finger on the wheel, steers great. Kick down works.
Yeah, it works good.
We'll test our brakes up here in a second. But I'm impressed with the way it goes down the road.
Yeah.
No hands on the wheel. Perfectly straight down the road. Damn near drives itself.
Yep.
Here's your brakes. Their power, they stop great. No pull left or right. Feel really safe. And the steering's, as we just mentioned, just really nice and tight. A lot of times these steering wheels, these Z28 wheels, they're really cool, but they'll get sticky.
Mm-hmm.
This one's not sticky at all either. Wait for the old Taurus to go by.
Got a great sound to it.
It does nice shifts too. Just a good car. Check it out on the website, CoyoteClassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.